Alright, welcome back guys to another video. My name's Aaron. If you didn't already know, if you're not subscribed already, what is you doing? Subscribe. Like the video before it starts, comment if you want, share this video so this video gets noticed. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Today there's a grand opening to some mechanic shop. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll let you guys know. And we're gonna go right now, so let's go see what's up. And the next uploads that come, they're gonna be car related videos. So if you're not into cars, you don't have to watch them. But I think I'm gonna come out with four of them. So if you don't like car related things, don't watch them. I'll make some other videos and upload them after. So as I said, let's go. Where's Daniel? If you do that, you'll be thinking, oh, there it is. That bad?
Nigga, I'm from Big. What's up, nigga? What block, 400 slows straight. What I do, nigga, kill off, beef. I'm a west side, get whacking in the back of the city.
Puts on, especially his leg, my wire. Warm him up. You will burn out first.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching that video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you want, subscribe so you keep updated. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. And share this video so it gets noticed. And I'll see you guys next time.